Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can stream with sound on Discord. So if you share your screen with someone on the voice channel but they can't hear anything, let me show you what you can do in order to make sure that the sound is streamed as well. So all you need to do is go to share your screen, of course, and then over here make sure that you choose applications. If you decide to use screens, which is pretty much the same as sharing your whole monitor, one of them at least if you have multiple, then by doing so you won't be able to share with sound. In order to share with sound, you need to go to applications. Make sure to choose the application that you want to share with anyone, and this is how you can share, or rather stream, with sound. So for instance, if I select let's say the Discord, right, then without setting up anything I can just go live, and if any sound occurs on in my Discord and anyone watches my stream, then they should be able to hear it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.